Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix can't comment on YouTube. So let's get started. So if you can't comment on YouTube, so just open up your YouTube application and then try to comment in any video. So for example, in this video. So if you want to comment in this video, you can find the comment section is unavailable. So what it is saying is restricted mode has hidden comments for this video. So what you can do is just simply turn off your restricted mode. So just tap on the profile option, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on settings, which is on the top right. Then tap on general, and after tapping on general, just scroll down, and here you will find the restricted mode. So if it's turned on, just turn it off, and after turning it off, now what you can do is just simply open up a video and you can find the comment is available. So here you can see guys, you can access all the comments from that following video. So after turning this option off, if you still can't access the videos, that means the YouTuber or the following user has just turned off their comments. So you can't access their comments until they turn on their comments. So there is no fix for that. So if that's not the case, then you can easily fix your comments by following the steps that I have shown you. So that's it guys, this is how to fix can't comment on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.